Knife Collector the Netherlands here. Earlier I showed you some new acquisitions I've done in February, and 12th of March they arrived. In the box there were 6 folding knives that I presented in a brief video, and now I want to make some videos with each individual knife. First of all, I want to show the Contego, Benchmade Contego, the Contego 810-1401. The Knifeworks exclusive Contego, and I'll show it next to the regular Benchmade 810 Contego. Differences are obvious. The original one comes with black G10 and a grey or a black coated blade. The Knifeworks exclusive comes with black and blue G10 and a non-coated blade, and that is a major difference. The original Contego comes within blade steel with M4 as blade steel, and the Knifeworks exclusive comes with M390 as blade steel. M4 blade steel can rust if not protected or taken care of. M390 is pretty much rust resistant, so it can come non-coated. Another difference is the original Contego, the handle, the G10, is milled out very aggressive, so you can feel sharp edges, corners, etc., etc. all around the handle you feel the aggressiveness, and with this one, the 1401, it is much more round off, chamfered, etc. Still provides a very good grip, but never digs that deep in your hands like the original one. So that were the differences. Both are very well done, very well executed. It are free falling knives with the access lock. Very easy to deploy. Great action. Well done. The blade in M390 has a very nice satin finish. Very well done. It's a gorgeous knife, and the way it is done, it is not a huge fingerprint magnet. The G10 is very well done. The Contego in general is a very capable knife. Of course, it's a tactical designed knife, but you can use it for all kinds of tasks, and the same goes for this one with the M390 steel. It's just better protected against rust. The knife is very well centered, great action, very smooth, no blade play, and yet it falls free. The access lock is a very great mechanism in folding knives. What's another difference? I forgot. The original one has a glass breaker, and the 1401 doesn't have a glass breaker. Very nice knife. Because of the nice black and blue G10 and the nice M390 satin finished blade, I think it's more a collectible knife than the original. The original, I personally don't think it's a real collectible. It's more a hard use folding knife. Specs: it's a 4-inch blade, or in the centimeter equivalent 10 centimeter, with an overall length of 23.5 centimeter. So about 9-inch. Brand new, and it goes like butter. Very glad to have this one.